Unplug MAF sensor. Take off air filter housing. Use T30 socket to undo timing belt cover. Jack up Insignia. Remove upper engine mounting. Use 15mm socket. Remove lower belt cover. Use 15 and 13mm sockets. Use 15mm wrench to turn tensioner clockwise to take off auxiliary belt. Torx 50 to undo crankshaft pulley bolts. Actually this is spline bolts, but what the heck. Just be careful. 19mm wrench to counterhold crankshaft. Undo these two bolts of the timing lower cover. Use 13mm socket. If you need to unscrew crankshaft sprocket bolt, remember it have left hand treat. Set up timing marks. You can use 6mm bolt to lock fuel pump sprocket. And if you're gonna use locking tool, unscrew camshaft timing covering bolt. So camshaft is in position. Now it's correct. Camshaft sprocket bolt tightening torque 120. If you're not using timing tools, then just mark position of the sprockets. And just simply follow the markings on the timing belt. 12mm wrench and undo tensioner bolt. Remove it. This is how tensioner alignment looks like. Align. Use 6mm hex to undo water pump bolts. Install a new gasket. And install pump. Use some thread locker. Tight water pump bolts with 25 Nm. Clean surface for the anything. Install new tensioner. Remove spacer from old idler pulley and install it into the new idler pulley. Timing belt rotation direction markings. Rotation. You can mark in here so you will know that position is correct on the sprocket. And another. See? Then install it. Put something like screwdriver in between and timing belt so it won't skip the markings. Check the mark over there, crankshaft, okay. And install clockwise. So use screwdriver to move tensioner and align markings of this tensioner. Check tensioner alignment, and if everything is okay, tight tensioner. Tightening torque 25 Nm. And one more time from different angle. I have drained about 4.5 liters of coolant, so I will add 4.5. To bleed coolant system, you can remove one of these heater hoses. I prefer upper one. Use flat blade screwdriver to pull down this C clip and remove coolant hose. That's it. Good luck and good